What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Hannah here, and I am so excited for this vlog because I am actually packing up for my very first cruise ever. It is currently Tuesday, March 28th, but the other Hannah and I leave for our very first cruise together this Friday, March 31st, and we are setting sail on the Carnival Freedom cruise ship this Saturday, April 1st. I cannot tell you how excited I am. I'm a little nervous. I don't know what to expect because this is the first time I will ever set foot on a cruise ship, but I did want to make a vlog about, you know, packing for your first cruise and making sure that you have all the essentials ready. I don't even know if I have all the essentials, but I have watched a ton of other vloggers and other YouTube videos that have been super helpful to get you prepared for your first ever cruise, or just for, you know, a cruise in general. If you've been on cruises before, these could be some essentials that you don't want to forget on a cruise. So let's get going here. Wanted to point out my cruise shirt. Let me show you. This is one of many cruise shirts. I would definitely be packing this, but thought it was appropriate to wear it for the vlog today. Woo, woo, woo. And before we get into the nitty-gritty of everything, I wanted to let you guys know that the cruise ship that we are going on is actually taking us to the Dominican Republic as well as Turks and Caicos. So there are going to be lots of vlogs to come showing you some of the excursions that we're doing while in those amazing, beautiful places. And we're just both really excited because, like I said, this is going to be my first time ever going on a cruise, but our first time together going on a cruise and trying something new. So I have made a list on my iPhone here that Hannah and I can actually both add things to the list, take things off the list, but it's a packing list that we have started together to make sure we don't forget anything. But I am gonna go through the main essentials that I think that you're going to need for any cruise. I think most importantly is gonna be your documentation that you need. We already have printed off our boarding passes, as you can see here. We have those set and ready to use on Saturday morning. And then we also both have passports, so that is super important because of the locations that we are going on our cruise ship. We do need a passport as identification. So I've had mine because I have traveled outside of the country before to Europe. So you know, this is still gonna last me quite a few years. So another thing that a lot of people have told me about cruises is, of course, you might get a little motion sick. Even if you don't typically get motion sick, people have said it is super important to make sure you have these ear patches. We did purchase this little box of ear patches. It comes with 36. We purchased it on Amazon. It came like the very next day. And you just place these patches behind your ears, and it's supposed to help with the motion sickness if you do start to feel any sort of motion sickness while you're on the cruise. Definitely another essential item is this really cool power strip that has multiple different types of USB chargers. It's called One Beat. We did order this off Amazon as well, so thank you, Amazon. So we'll actually use this power strip in our room on the cruise. It has tons of different outlets here, and then some more USB, and even one USB-C outlet there at the bottom. Super important to have, especially if you're going to, you know, if I'm going to be charging my camera, for example, my phone, iPad, all those things, you can charge them all at once. It definitely helps because the rooms on a cruise ship obviously aren't super big, and this gives you the option to have plenty more outlets to get everything charged up. Speaking of electronics, I will definitely be bringing my iPad with me. I always bring this when we're on the flights. I typically like to download Netflix, Disney Plus, something to watch to keep the time passing. And speaking of more electronics, I am definitely going to be bringing my GoPro. This is actually the Hero Black 7, I believe. So it's definitely an older GoPro now. I know they're on like, what, the GoPro 12. I've had this for a few years. It is waterproof, and I will definitely be using this while we're on our excursions because we are going to be doing some snorkeling. We're also going to be doing some zip lining and swimming in waterfalls. So I cannot wait to get some footage and show you all by using this GoPro. So it'll definitely be used. Now these are definitely an essential always. My AirPods, they connect to my phone, they connect to my iPad. These are the new AirPods. I don't know what they're called, but just recently got them as a Christmas gift, and they are essential. Moving right along to definitely a big essential for myself, just because I'm very fair skinned, travel size sunscreen, and it's the spray bottle. This is the Banana Boat Sport Ultra, got 30 SPF. I must have this on this cruise at all times. If I'm outside, I am very likely to get sunburned. You gotta protect your skin, so sunscreen is a must. In talking about protecting your skin, thinking of bringing this really cool visor here. Oh yeah, got the visor. How do I look, people? So this is definitely an essential for Hannah and myself. We love this stuff. It is the Liquid IV. This is the giant pack, and this is actually the lemon lime flavor. And it comes in a bunch of different flavors. They've got strawberry, grape, passion fruit. Lemon lime is definitely my favorite, but this is a hydration multiplier where you just take the little pack of the Liquid IV, you pour it into water, and it helps you get hydrated much quicker. And I do believe it works. So now I'm gonna show off some of the cool clothes, I guess, that I have to bring on this cruise. You've already seen one of my cruise shirts, but let me show you some of the others. We've got a lemon shirt from Old Navy. Love that shirt. This is one of my newer button downs. It's a short sleeve and it's got some pink and white stripes. It's like a salmon almost. Can't wait to wear this. Just got it at Old Navy as well. I love shopping at Old Navy. They always have great deals. And another sweet new shirt that Hannah actually bought me for the cruise. It's the brand called Dubin. I don't know how you say it, but that's the same brand as this shirt that I currently have on. I just thought it was cool. It's definitely a cruise shirt. So got some cruise clothes ready to go. I'm not gonna show you every single piece of clothing. Just wanted to kind of show you my really cool, unique shirts that I have to pack. I'm definitely gonna be packing a ton of pairs of shorts, pajamas. I am gonna pack one really nice outfit, not super formal, but we are going to have like a nice dinner on our last day on the cruise ship at a steakhouse. So we're gonna kind of get dressed up a little bit and feel a little fancy while on the cruise ship. So I'll just be wearing some nice pants, probably a really nice button down for myself, and just enjoy the evening at a nice restaurant on the cruise ship. Definitely want to point out, got some swimwear that I am bringing, but this shirt, this new swim shirt, it's actually a t-shirt material. It looks like a t-shirt, it's just a plain black color, but it's made by the brand Humankind. Super cool brand online called Humankind. And this shirt is actually fully waterproof, so if I feel like I'm getting too sunburned or don't want to get a lot of sun on me one day, I am gonna wear this while on the excursions to help protect my skin. I might get terrible tan lines or whatever, but hey, it's definitely better than being sunburned on your back and feeling pain for the rest of the trip. Let me look at my list here. I am gonna open up my suitcase here in a moment and start putting things in there. But this list covered a lot of the essentials so far. I have sunglasses on here, but I do need to get those out of my car because I always keep them in my car. It's where I typically wear my sunglasses all the time, but definitely need sunglasses. I cannot really stand to be outside without having them on, especially in super bright conditions. Ooh, forgot one thing here. Let me show you. Water shoes. We did order these online at Amazon as well. I just got the plain black pair. The brand is called Seekway, and they were reasonably priced, and thought we could use these while being on the excursions, swimming through waterfalls and walking. You never know what you're gonna, step on while you're in the water. So water shoes is a must. And along with water shoes, I also did purchase some pool slides. I don't really know what else to call these, but they're just like nice little comfy plastic slides. They were super cheap at Target. You can find these pretty much anywhere. And figured I would get black. Black goes with everything. And these are definitely a must for me as well. Time to open up this bad boy. Big giant Nike suitcase. You are headed to your first cruise. Yeah, this suitcase is super big. It's got tons of space. I've already started putting some of my shirts together here. And then over on this side, I got the swim stuff ready. But the cool thing about this suitcase that I love is this separate compartment right here for your shoes. It's actually got some Nike shoes. One thing to keep in mind is that we are flying down to Port Canaveral, which is in the Orlando area of Florida, to get on the cruise ship. So we do have to pack as smart as possible to make sure that we are able to, you know, take things on the plane versus on the cruise. And something else I just wanted to point out, you definitely should pack at least one hoodie or sweatshirt or sweater or jacket, whatever you think you might need. Even though you're going to a really beautiful tropical place, you never know, because it could be very cold in your rooms or cold out on the cruise ship dock area or deck area, excuse me. So just keep that in mind. I'm definitely bringing a hoodie. This is the one. And my cats always know that vacation is coming up when they see the suitcase. They get a little worried. This is Garbanzo. What are you doing, bud? Bonzo, you wanna go on a cruise? You wanna go on your first cruise too? Oh no, she went on the zippers. I just wanted to show you guys just a tidbit of some of the essentials that I'm definitely packing on my very first cruise. I didn't show you guys everything, but this was just a little snippet of some things that I think, you know, you all might find useful if you are going on a cruise. Over the next few days, I'm definitely going to be making sure that I am checking my list, making sure Hannah's checking her list. We're both checking our list together to make sure that we have everything we need. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thought this would be a really fun vlog to make from home while getting ready for something a brand new adventure that I have no idea what to expect, but I am so pumped and excited for. Make sure you guys follow along, because there are going to be some more vlogs once we get on the cruise. We're going to have lots of fun. We're going to show you the cruise ship. We're going to show you our excursions that we're going on in Turks and Caicos and the Dominican Republic. Thank you guys so much for viewing. I hope you guys enjoyed all of this. And as always, I will see you guys next time. Well, next time you'll see me, I'll be on a cruise ship. Bye-bye.